Namaskar friends, welcome back to Mohanjanics. I hope all of you are safe and healthy and your study is also going well. We are discussing basic signals in signal and system. Our next signal is sawtooth signal. So without any delay, पढ़ाई शुरू करते हैं. Sawtooth signal. Why it is named as sawtooth? As we all know, saw is like this, from which we used to cut the woods, etc. And its tooth is just like this. So the shape of our signal is just like tooth of the saw. You can easily observe the shape of the signal xt, which is just like tooth of any saw. It is abruptly coming down and then it is like ramp signal. All of you must know the ramp signal, which is RT is equal to T. Just like that, it is ramp signal. Then again, after a particular amplitude, which is here in this case A naught, it again comes down to the minimum amplitude, that is minus A naught, then again increasing and then abruptly decreasing. So this is the shape of sawtooth signal and it is called as sawtooth signal. So let's discuss about it in detail. So the time period of this signal is, as we know, the time period of any signal is the time at which it repeats itself. If we start from this point and consider this point, the signal repeat itself after this much time. This time will be T naught, which is called as fundamental time period or time period. So we can consider this point as minus T naught by 2 and this point as plus T naught by 2. I have explained these so that in future it will be useful to you all. Now let's discuss about its power, RMS value and average value. Its power will be, if this maximum amplitude is plus A naught and minimum is minus A naught, then its power will be A naught square by 3 and RMS will be just root of the power, which is A naught by root 3 and its average will be 0. We can directly write power of the signal as A naught square by 3, RMS as A naught by root 3 and average by 0 from our quickest method. You can refer that method in lecture 26. Now let's discuss whether this signal is half-wave symmetric or not. For half-wave symmetry, we know that signal must be xt is equal to minus of xt plus minus t naught by 2. In case of sawtooth signal, it is not satisfying this condition. That's why it is not a half-wave symmetric signal. This is very important point. It can be asked in exams. And for half-wave symmetry signal, you can refer lecture number 11. इसी के साथ ये लेक्चर समाप्त होता है। उम्मीद करता हूं आप लोगों को ये लेक्चर अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया। अगर हाँ तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें, अपने दोस्तों में ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें और अपने कोई भी डाउट या फीडबैक हो तो उसे कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखना ना भूलें और मेरे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, जय हिंद।